We had a little hail damage on the driver's side spot mirror, so I removed it by taking off the cover, 2 screws from underneath, Torx T30s. This little piece here is on a spring and it turns, and I was able to get it out by grabbing it with a pair of pliers and twisting it so that it can go through that slot. The new mirror, I devised a tool. Volvo probably has a special tool for this, but this is my special tool. It's a 3mm hex, goes through that hole and allows me to pull that through and twist it. Don't forget to put this little piece back on. It's a little collar that slots in, and I used rubber gloves so that I would not mess up the mirror. Okay, so this just goes in like this, and then your special tool comes in. And that's why I have my hand on the back. Pull that piece out. And turn it 90 degrees, just like that. And I cut this off by grinding it so that it made it a little bit easier for me. But now the cover's just going to go back on with the 2 screws from underneath, and we have a new mirror again.